Replacing the battery in the Alfa Romeo key fob is fairly simple. You will need to use some sort of flat screwdriver, a little tiny one like this, or tweezers, something like that. But to get started, you will need to take your key ring off, and then you can see right here with these little grips here on the side, here and here. Just squeeze in on those grips and kind of pull down like that, just a little bit. It just unhooks it. And then you can take this this cover off. And it's kind of like a hard plastic, but you can squeeze it in there. Now, first thing you'll see is the physical key, which is, you might need to use that sometimes. But you can use the physical key to put right in here. You can see it kind of slides in here. This is where it goes, all the way up in like this. That's where it goes. But what you want to do is you want to take it out and then reinsert it right here. And what we're going to do is use the key to leverage and turn this dial right here. So you want to kind of hold it down like so. And what we're doing is we're turning this arrow to here to the unlock position. And we're going to use a key to do it. So you kind of have to press down like that and kind of move the key like this. And it kind of turns this whole dial right here, because it does have some significant pressure there, because it does have a seal to compress in this compartment here. There's a rubber seal, which you want to be careful with here. So now once we access the battery, this is where you'll need to use a small tool like tweezers, or in my case, this little flathead screwdriver. And you can see where these little lips right there and there hold this side. You want to go to the opposite of that and just go right here and kind of gently pry up on the battery, because it's going to pop out. It's like it did. So basically the battery is a 2032, CR2032. So the numbers and letters and everything are facing up, and you don't want to touch in there. So you want to just kind of drop it in there. Try to have as least amount of fingerprints on the battery as possible. And then just kind of press it in there like that, and then snap it in place like so. So that way it's under these lips here, but it's also under these here. So you want to make sure it's completely secure before you move forward. All right, and then this part, you drop it right there where the arrow is aiming at the unlock position here. And you kind of want to press down on it pretty good. Put the key back in this halfway position, because we're going to use the key for leverage. And then you press down on it. You want to press down a little bit. Try not to press the buttons on the other side, but press down on it like that. So that way you got a good firm pressure in there. And then you turn it all the way to have the arrow aiming here. And then you can replace this key. Now, if you can't replace this key, that means it's not quite far enough over. You will need to have it all the way over, so that way you'll know key goes in only one way. I was doing it wrong. So there we go. You can see the little notch right there. Now it's flush. Now we want to put this back on, and you want to basically just lay it down just like a few millimeters away from its final position there, and then kind of press down on it and then push it up until it snaps in place. And you want to make sure, just kind of look at it around the edges, make sure it's secure down here, up here, and across here at the top especially. And make sure everything just feels solid. And then, of course, test the key and make sure it's working. Let me know what you think in the comments. If you have any questions or anything like that, leave them in the comments. And share the video if you think anybody might need this information. So thank you for watching. See you next time.